Hey guys, Rizz here. Today I am going to teach you how to diagnose engine gear ABS airbag system in G-Scan 3. Let's go. I already connected OPD2 wire in the car. Now go to G-Scan. Diagnosis and select the vehicle Toyota, manual selection and international, 16 pin connector, powertrain mode, and click engine gear, then click OK button. And now click the DDD analysis. Is no trouble code in the engine gear. Next step, I'm going to check the ABS. Click the chassis and ABS, then click OK. Then click DDD analyze. It's no trouble code. Next step, I check the airbag. Select the airbag and click OK, and click the F1, F2, F3, F4 button. Then click the DDD analyze. Click OK. It's no trouble code. Next step, I'm going to check the air conditioning in this car. Click the body, select air condition and click OK. DDD analyze. This car have issue in air conditioner. Need to replace the sensor, solar sensor. Passenger side, solar sensor circuit, driver side. Now I try to erase the code. Click OK. Trouble code eraser succeed. Click OK.